Hello and namaste to everyone. My name is R. Sneha and today we are going to discuss on the topic one invention that changed the entire world. Have you ever imagined how the world would have been if there was no money? Invention of money is something that has changed the entire world. Today, money is a resource necessary for survival. Money helps us buy things, meet our basic needs, gain education, build infrastructure, parks, gardens, malls, and above all, helps build a better and more practical world than what it was before money and currency existed. Every new research in the laboratory, every rocket that our countries launch, every hospital and schools that we build, every company that gets launched, every trade or business that takes place between the countries and within the countries is impossible to imagine without money. Now, if we take a close look at the world, at the world which existed before money or currency was there, you will notice that people still had a self-developed system of exchanging goods with whatever they needed in return. This system was popularly known as the barter system or the non-monetary system in more economical terms. At around 9000 to 6000 BC, when this non-monetary system was into the effect, there an individual could exchange his or her surplus goods or whatever valuable goods he had with a person who possessed goods of equal or higher value. And this also meant that there was a demand for the double coincidence of wants, which was rarely found to be fulfilled. Also, there was an absence of a common unit of measurement, and so wealth used to be accumulated in terms of goods. Also, trading between two countries now became a challenging one. This was a point when money has made its appearance as a medium of exchange with much more worth and significance. In around 700 BC, in the kingdom of Lydia, which is known as the Western Turkey, introduced a currency for the first time in this world. There was something special about this currency that needs to be mentioned. It was made of a substance called electrum, which was a definite composition of silver and gold and stamped with images that acted as denominations. The introduction of metal currency was quickly adapted by the Greek cities, the great Persian Empire, and slowly by the other countries too. In 770 BC, China used coins made of bronze. These coins took completely different shape. One resembled a knife blade with a handle and the other resembled the metal part of a spade. The shape of these coins later transformed into a round shape with a square hole in the center in the late 3rd century BC under the rule of Shi Huangdi. In India, the Mughal Emperor Sher Shah Suri had introduced a silver coin weighing 178 grams. This silver coin was given a name called Rupaya. These electrum and bronze currencies soon created a way for the paper currencies and the fiat coins too. All these were introduced in order to limit the usage of the prime metals you needed to sustain the industries and the manufacturing. Also, these paper currencies were easier to carry, handle, and were handy in the international trade too. The paper currencies were first introduced in about 11th century under the Song dynasty, and it was introduced by China. In the 13th century, explorers like Marco Polo introduced the concept of paper notes in Europe, and this idea was first adopted by Sweden. This was also the time when banks had stepped into the world. The paper notes at first were readily accepted by the countries, but were soon rejected as people began printing too many notes. And soon the usage of paper notes came to a stop. Again in the 18th century, there were rulers who once again brought the idea of paper notes with much more responsibility and centralization whose ideas were adopted by the countries all over the world. Today, in the age of 21st century, paper money too has undergone a lot of transformation and had transformed the world too. Now, it is possible to pay for any purchase without money, that is totally cashless. Technology has made digital payments possible with credit and debit cards, with various apps and through net banking too. So, once again, the world has become cashless, though not totally, as it was a few centuries ago. A person now can walk anywhere with an empty pocket and a mobile in hand and can pay for anything that he buys. After listening to all these deep histories, one might feel like reading a chapter in history, but this is the only way we can trace back how the presence of money had transformed the world. Invention of money has transformed the lives of people, the way one thinks, and hence the entire world. Today, every country talks about its economic growth, about setting up national banks, and about increasing the gross domestic product, which we commonly call as the GDP. This is possible today only because of the presence of money. Survival of a human being actually and basically requires oxygen, food, and water. But today, it is the money which can buy us all these essentials. Men and women now earn a definite sum of money. They began buying lands, houses, car, furniture, gold and silver as a way to create savings and experience luxury. Money and power now walks hand in hand. In fact, money was soon successful in creating a world where people were classified into rich, poor, and middle class men. Greed and materialism were some of the words that were getting definitions now at a faster rate. But there is always a saying, when good things happen, bad things too occur, and vice versa. The good thing that occurred is today everything that we intend to buy or sell has a definite and fixed sum of money, which makes one plan their survival and savings. Apart from this, money is also an important element to achieve our dreams and put the human ideas into reality. If money is so powerful, then what about the human force? Well, money would rather be just a piece of paper if the humans had not given it this power. There are things that money cannot buy: peace, health, happiness, relationships, nature, honesty, and many more things that are required. Remember, to conclude, the invention of money was essential to make our lives easier and advance it at the same time. Remember, money is a need of life, a part of life, but not the life. So, let us utilize this resource in the most appropriate and right way to transform our lives and the entire world into a better and advanced one. Thank you.